For social studies today, we're going to be reading the Scholastic News article, Holiday Rush Delivery. We're going to start by looking at our vocabulary, and this week there is only one vocabulary word, and that is budget. So budget is the amount of money you are able to spend. This bat would be within your budget if you had $15 or more. So the amount of money you are able to spend. So if you go to the store and you have $1 and you want to buy a candy bar, you have to make sure that that candy bar is only $1 or less. Okay? So your budget, it's just the amount of money you're able to spend. So looking at the front cover of this week's Scholastic News, it says here that Lily wants to send her grandma a gift for her holiday party. The party is in a few days, and grandma lives far away. Will the gift get there in time? So we will find out. So the path of the present. Follow this present as it makes its way to Lily's grandma. December 10th. Lily is on the phone with her grandma. Her grandma says she is having a party on December 15th. Lily wants to make her a necklace to wear, but she doesn't have much time. The party's only a few days away. Lily and her mom go to the craft store to buy beads and string. It all costs $7. Lily has saved up $10. That is her budget, which is how much money she can spend. So we're actually going to stop there for a second. So Lily is on the phone with her grandma, and her grandma is having a Christmas party, and Lily would like to make her a necklace to wear at her party. So her and her mom go to the craft store and they buy material to make a necklace. They buy beads and strings, and it all costs $7. So the string and the beads cost $7, and Lily has saved up $10. So $10 is her budget, and she's going to spend $7. So does she have enough money to do that? She does. So if you continue reading, it says she has enough money to buy the supplies. So she has $10 and she's only going to spend 7 of that 10. So she does have enough money. December 11th. Lily uses the beads and string to make an awesome necklace. She puts it in a cardboard box and prints her grandma's address on it neatly. She makes sure to get it right. If the address is wrong, the mail carriers won't be able to get the package to her grandma. Lily's dad takes her to the post office. She gives her package to the workers behind the counter. He says it will cost $3 to send the package. Lily gives him the rest of the money in her budget and says goodbye to the package. So this part is important, this section that we just read, for 2 different reasons. So the first reason is Lily prepared a package to send to her grandma. Inside the package had the beads and the string. She made the necklace. So the necklace was in the package that she was going to send to grandma. And she had to do something really important in order for her grandma to get this package, and that was writing her grandma's address. So she had to know her grandma's address. She had to print it neatly on the package so that the mail carriers would know where to take the package. So if you ever send someone something, it has to have their address in neat handwriting in order to get to them. Lily also went to the post office, and when she got there, she had to pay $3 to send her package. So if you remember in the last section, we talked about how she had a $10 budget. She spent $7 out of her 10, so she had 3 left over. So she had just enough money to send the package. December 12th through the 14th. The package is on its way. Lily goes online to see where it is. Each day it's in a new state, getting closer and closer to Grandma. On the 14th, there's a big storm near Grandma's house. Uh-oh, will that slow the mail down? So when she sent the package, it has many stops along the way. So Lily was able to track her package to see the different states that her package stopped in throughout the way to get to her grandma's. but the package isn't quite there yet, so let's see if it makes it. December 15th. Lily goes online one more time to check on the package. It was delivered this morning. Just then, the phone rings. It's Lily's grandma. She loves the necklace. She can't wait to wear it to her party. Lily's so happy her present arrived on time. So her package did make it. So her grandma actually was having her party on December 15th, and her package arrived just in time on December 15th. So the same day as the party. If we look over here, it says from Lily to Grandma. This first photo is Lily takes her package to the post office and gives it to the postal worker. 2. Machines at the post office sort the mail. They put the gift for Lily's grandma with other mail going to the same place. 3. An airplane takes Lily's gift and a lot of the other mail across the country to different post office. 4. A mail carrier takes Lily's gift in a truck. He delivers it to Lily's grandma. So there are a lot of different steps. It starts at the post office. When it gets to the post office, they sort the mail and they organize it to wherever other letters or packages are going. So they organize them and sort them to make sure that all of the gifts that are going to the same place are put together. An airplane took the gift to the state that it needed to go to. And then once it got there, the mail carriers delivered it to Lily's grandma. So we're going to stop here, and then the next few slides have a few different questions that I would like you to answer.